Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to use scissors safely. Alright guys, so first we got to go get the scissors. Alright, so right in here. And when you get them, we're going to hold them with the blade side down and the handles up. Okay, let's close the drawer. Now, once we have the scissors, we're going to walk slowly with them down at our side, and we're going to set them down on the table. And then sit down. Now we're going to cut. Hold the scissors by the handles, and with your other hand, hold the paper that you are cutting. Point the scissors away from your body, and use the other hand to turn the paper, keeping your fingers out of the way of where you're cutting. Now sometimes when you're cutting, you find that the paper that you're cutting off is getting in your way. So to fix that, we can cut out this area so that we can just work on this part. And we can also cut this area off. And then continue cutting like this. Turning the paper with your other hand and holding your scissors straight out as you cut. And we come all the way around to the end of the circle. And that, my friends, is how you use scissors safely. Now once you're all done cutting, pick up the scissors the same way we did before and carry them back to where they go. Put them safely back where they belong. So now you know how to be safe with scissors. See you next time.